Hello everyone, welcome to the Crypto Rules channel. Today I want to show you 3 coins that have not yet had their breakout, but I believe they have a good chance of making significant gains compared to their current prices. Let's start with ADA. On the daily chart we can clearly see a well-defined upward trend with 3 touches. Personally, I am feeling very bullish about the market and I believe it will keep rising throughout August and September for sure. So when we see the price approach the trend line again and break through it, we can confidently expect a rise to $1.17 or $1.30. These are very clear and achievable targets. If we look at it more optimistically and anticipate a strong bullish market, the weekly chart shows that the highest point for the coin so far is $3.11. In theory, during this bullish cycle the coin could reach that level, but again this is a fairly optimistic scenario. Either way, I'm keeping an eye on this coin, waiting for the breakout, and I will be entering a position once it happens. The next coin I like is MNT, the official coin of the cryptocurrency exchange BYBIT. On the daily chart we again have a descent trend line, and relative to this we are at the bottom. I also really like the 5 touches of the level starting from March. Honestly, I was expecting a breakout on the 5th touch, but it did not happen. So on the 6th touch we should see a strong breakout of this level. For me, the main target is touching the trend line. I am not expecting any historical levels, although again in a super optimistic bullish scenario we could break the maximum point on the chart, but a more realistic option is touching the trend line after breaking such a strong level. If you look at the 2024 chart, we see the price rocket literally in a few days from 70 cents and more than double. So my target is more than achievable. We just need to wait for the bullish pump. And the third coin, a very underrated hidden gem, is SEI. It's currently at rock bottom, but it has an excellent trend line with 3 touches, plus there is bullish sentiment and the chart shows good accumulation and growth. The coin is starting to gain volume and the TVL, total value locked, keeps growing every month. There are many collaborations such as the recent one with Honda. My targets here are pretty high, 73 cents and $1.14. A breakout above the historical level is unlikely but possible. But these 2 targets are very appealing and they are more than achievable. The coin has had a structural shift. It is at the bottom and it is starting to grow. What more could you ask for? Personally, I really like this option. In conclusion, I want to say that right now there are many promising coins that have not yet taken off, like XRP or HBAR. These coins will still grow a lot, but they've already had their pump. Meanwhile, other MNT and SEI seem to be sitting quietly, waiting for their moment. What do you think? Which coins will give the biggest returns in the upcoming bullish market? Write your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.